Trubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Garaf Bharali Bawan Hakakardan Nyngkong Dakabayo Sauspa 100 marks Haka result class 12 nek Hsslc Arja Arpusau Haka art stream na Saint Edmunds Higher Secondary School Ulaong ba jimpunan kam banwat yaki pule jong u naki rensan social media Henry ujut ho hi yaki notes ki badan kam naki kot pule jong u uni u khana ulaong ba ujubu shakmat yaki pule wala kalong ka ba e ban poi shakani ka kardan Henry dena kejing minat bat kejing treshi tom jong u usapoi shakani ka kardan bat jupan na e ban tho ikitas wat la ki dei tang ki basan marks ru kadba u hame crowbok kharshi yeng ubayo ya ka kardan basan hakathuk top 10 ke Hsslc arts na Saint Edmunds Higher Secondary School ulapun pau kejing ngok men ba ulala ban penhun ni kejing kwa ki nong hikai bat ki kemi ki kpa jong u ba poi shakani ka kardan ulaong ba kejing poi jong u shakani ka kardan kadena kejing kershan ki kemi ki kpa bat ki nong hikai.
My name is Gaurav Bharali. I scored 468, 93%, first position. It was always hard. Obviously, it was very hard. It was a hard journey, but I took everything seriously, right from oral tests or whatever. Like even if a 5 marks test, I studied for it. I never kept my work to the side. It was always my first priority. So that's how I did it.
And now, what's next? What are you planning?
I'm planning to do law, BLB. So let's see where it goes, if I can.
Where from you are planning to?
It's either Neho or I gave my CUET, so let's see if I get in BHU or anywhere else.
And what do your parents does?
My mom is a homemaker. My father was an advocate. Now he is a businessman.
And tell us that how do you find technology? Whether the technology helped in your studies?
To be honest, I never relied on technology. It was always my books, and I made notes myself. I never even for the books notes, I never hold on to that. I make my own. I write my own. I don't Google answers. I don't think it's even if it's a good way, but I don't trust it. I trust my own writing.
Where do you stay?
I'm actually from Assam. I'm here for 11 years.
Assam where?
Guwahati.
I'm happy, I guess. Most of all, I'm just glad I managed to fulfill the expectations of my teachers, my parents, and the principal and everyone who's supporting me. Other than that, I don't really feel much. I guess I am proud, but the feelings subsided by now.
So what do you attribute your success? Your parents, teachers, their contribution, parents, teachers?
Well, obviously my mother, she contributed a lot. She supported me. She made sure that I would study and work hard towards this. And my teachers, well, they were very good at teaching, and yeah, it's all because of them and my mother and my family that I got this position.
What is next?
Hopefully I can enroll in St. Edmunds College and get a major in psychology, although it's not established yet. So for now I'm going for sociology, and once psychology department is established, then I'll major in psychology.
So what is your ambition? What do you want to become in?
I honestly don't know yet. I guess what I want in life is to be happy and to live comfortably. That's about it.
So you're depending too much on the digital, you are depending for your studies, the digital apps.
Was I depending on my studies, on digital apps for my studies? Not really. I'd say I was just mainly taking, textbook was the most important thing basically.